welcome back to the last pack of the booster box. I guess it is not a secret rare, so I guess there isn't a guaranteed secret rare. Well, that sucks. Leaf, Tang, Unidentified Fossil, Whalmer, Teeny, Feebas, Amphi, Litten, Brandon, Milotic. Not bad, not bad. And let me show you the hits of the entire booster box. Well, for the last one. Amistar V, Dragonite, Magnagear, Forest Seal, Radiant Jirachi, Raihan, Vulpix, Superior, Chestnut, Asham, Radiant Tesserina, Braxton, and the Hisuian Arcanine. That is our pulls from this box. See you tomorrow where we continue the hunt for the Lugia.